Everyone, good afternoon. I'm just here now, guys, because I just want to let you know, guys, about my past, and also I just wanted to clarify all of the things that my ex always saying that I scam and I lied to him. Okay, let's start. It will never happen this video if my ex didn't comment on my live stream yesterday. But it's a big deal with me because he always said in my live streaming, I scam with him before, I lie with him before. And he said also, I lie with him until now. My God. Okay, let's start, guys. In the first place, Mike, I didn't scam with you. Remember that? I'm scared with God to scam a person, Mike, remember? And you know what, Mike? All of the things that you give me, I didn't ask you even if 1 peso. I didn't ask you to buy this thing, to buy that things, to buy a food, or to buy whatever I want to buy. I didn't ask you about that. Remember that. You're the only person you give me. You insist me to give that money like that so I can have like this, like that. But remember, I didn't ask you even if 1 peso. Ever since. And the second time, Mike, you said, I'm lying with you. I'm lying with you. Yeah. It talks I'm lying. Remember, Mike, I am not lying with you. When we are in a relationship, I was be true with you. I was be true with you, remember. All the time, effort and care. That three kind of very important. Effort, time, and care. I give it that to you when we are in a relationship. In the first place, we talk about care. I always care with you, Mike. I always care with you. My time is with you always. My time. Remember, every morning, every time that I wake up, I always messaging you before I calling you. I calling you, Mike, every day. Every time I will calling you. And after our call, I do live streaming. Remember? And after I do live streaming, if I'm done doing live streaming, I call you back. I call you back until it's evening and tomorrow again. That's our routine every day. But my time and care with you is I fully support with you. I fully give you my time and care and also effort. I always effort this. I always effort to call you even if you're just calling me once or twice or thrice in a week. But I always calling you. I always getting your attention. I always calling you every morning. But the one thing that I don't like, Mike, is raising a voice. That's the one thing that I change. I have a kind of what you call that one? Starting discouraging because I told you I hate raising voice, but you raise your voice always. Sometimes you raise your voice with me. And remember, we always have an argument about I because of the way I care with you. If you are sick, you always sick. You always sick. I always care about with you. How are you now? How are you now? Honey, how are you now? What are you doing? Please be take care of yourself. Did you take your medicine? But you always say to me, stop, stop, stop. I am just an old. You're just a lady. Don't treat me like a baby. I'm not like a baby. I'm just a old man. I am 66 and you are a young lady. Don't always asking me with that how I am, how I what I am doing because I know what I do. Yes, I know what I do, but it's part of relationship to care and to have to care and effort with you. I care that because I love you that time. Every time I give love with you, Mike. Every time. I always care with you. That's why I'm always asking, how are you? What are you doing? Have you take care? Have you please take care of yourself? Have you take your medicine? Are you eating like this, like that? It's not wrong in a relationship, Mike. I do that with you, but you are not do that with me. Remember that. Even if calls, even if calls, sometimes only. But it comes with me. I always giving you attention every time because I love you truly before. And that's the only one thing that I starting discouraging because you're raising your voice with me. And I hate raising your voice because even if my family since I was young, my mom, my relatives didn't raise me a voice. Because that's kind of that part is kind of insulting. But because of my love for you, I still accept it. I forgive that. And many times we have a misunderstood because you always say that Glenn is a part of our breakup, but it's not true. It's not true. Glenn is a part of our breakup, Mike. Remember, that time I having a birthday, that time on my birthday, you are sick. I just wanted to, I just wanted even if 1 minute to call me, to greet me a happy birthday. Instead, you're just messaging only. If you want, if you have, if you are really care, if you are really care with me, it's hard for you to give me even if 1 minute call to said, hi honey, happy birthday, like that. It's hard for you in 1 minute. Instead, you're just messaging only to greet me a happy birthday. But all I want is to see you and smile on my birthday. And I see that you, the way that you said happy birthday like that. But you didn't do it. Instead, you're just messaging to greet happy birthday only. That's it. And you said I didn't message you. No, you're wrong. I message you. I message you, Mike. But the only one thing I just having a discourage in times of my birthday, even if 1 minute call you cannot give me. You're just messaging only one message only. That's it. And that's the big part of me. That's a big deal because it was my birthday. It was my birthday. And that's the only thing that I was starting changing because it's not good because you're not giving your time to me. And at times that you are sick, you don't want me to take care of you. I'm just always worried you, Mike, because you don't have a family, right? Your kids is far with you. Remember that? I always care, but you didn't appreciate my worth. You didn't appreciate what I am doing. Instead, you're just always saying I am lying with you. In the if it talks like lies, Mike. Okay, let's start to talk about lies. When we are together, we are not in a relationship with Glenn. We all we have friends only. We are friends only. We are friends only with Glenn. But you said I use you because of Glenn to get Glenn. You are wrong. I give my love with you all the support, effort, time and care. I give it to you. Remember that. But I see the worth of Glenn because he always care about me. He always care about me being a friend. But it's not a kind of bad if the person care about you. But you think that I was with relationship with Glenn. You are wrong. Ever since Mike, we don't have relationship with Glenn. We have a friend, a strong friendship or more than friends before. But when Glenn was gone in my life a couple of months and I was with you, yeah, I I I accept you because the way you treat me is a good person, like what Glenn's treating me before, even if we are just friends. I saw your being kind and I saw your generosity of love. You give it to me, but I am wrong. I am wrong. But uh, I don't want to give bad side about you because you are a good person, Mike. You are a good person. I know you're a good person. The only thing that I hate you the way that you giving your raising your voice and you always saying that I scam with you, lie with you. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. That's a big wrong. I'm not like the other YouTubers, Mike, that pretending I am a single mother. Even if their husband was working, they're still saying that I am a single mother. But at times that their husband was there, it's kind of muted or whatever like that. But I'm not like that. I'm not doing like that, Mike. You remember? I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being honest with you. And you know what? It's not my mistake to give love with you, to give all my support, effort, time, and care with you. You're just the only one thing that you're not fulfill your kind of time, effort, and care. And don't blame me, and don't blame with Glenn also, because I'm not using you because of Glenn, and we are happy now, and you are happy with your relationship now. I will support you, Mike. I was very, very happy that I see you, that you are happy with your fiance now. That's called fiance because you are engaged. I was very happy, but why you still interfering my life now, Mike? Why? What's wrong? Please be kind and don't be mean to me because I'm not mean to you ever since. I'm just being a good with you, Mike. I'm just being a good. I didn't said about bad things, bad words because I didn't see that you said about like that. But now you keep blaming me and you keep me saying that fuck like this. I don't like this. I'm lying. Like, hmm? I'm not lying. Remember, remember that, Mike. I'm not lying. Always thinking my time. I give it to you all the time. Morning, doing after our calls, doing live stream after live stream. I calling you until it's evening, tomorrow again. That's my routine, always calling you. And it's not my fault, it's your fault, Mike. And now I just, if you want, because yesterday you told you want to get back your money. I'm sorry for that, because I already buy your I already buy your that money for the things you wanted. If you want, Mike, come in Toledo. I don't have doubts. I can give it to you, all the things that you have, that you use your money. All the things in my house or in my room, you can get it. All my room, in this room, you can bring it to your country. The roof that you give to my mother and the mattress, you can carry that also in your country if you want. But I didn't ask you for even if 1 peso. My family didn't ask you about that. Remember that. And hopefully, Mike, be happy with us because I am supporting with your relationship together with Cheryl. And I am happy that you are happy with Cheryl, but please don't interfere my life. Please be nice and kind to me because I always being kind and nice with you. Please stop blaming me and please stop saying that I am lying and I am what you call that one, scam with you. No, it's not true. You know that already. I'm scared, Mike, because I believe God, Mike. Remember that I'm not a fake person, Mike. I'm not a fake person. Remember. So hopefully, Mike, you will realize, you will see my worth when I was with you, and stop keep blaming that I'm using you because to stop keep blaming you. Stop blaming me that I'm using you because to get Glenn. No, it's not true. It's not true. And you said, now I said, you said in the video that until now I lies. Why? Until now I lies. Did I lie? Until now? No. Ever since I didn't lie. Remember that. So I just want to clarify myself, everyone, no, that I'm just being a good person, being a kind person. I don't like troubles. I'm just being telling my side because I hate always being like this. Um, I'm very happy if you support uh, our relationship, and you can say that we are happy together. Also, you can say our faces or the way we care each other. You can say that we love each other now. And maybe what you call that one? Uh, maybe you can go on mic. You can what you call that one? Maybe you can unsubscribe me. So you will not going to follow or to watch my live stream. And I just only one thing that I just wanted you, Mike, please be nice to me. Don't be mean. That's it. That's all. Thank you. See you. Bye.